How's it going, everyone? This is Sean with the Scale Model Car Guy here. Well, I just finished up my Alwood appreciation video or model. I got this on another video, but I just wanted to come to you and say that on the Bilge Rat build that I'm going to do next, Bilge Rat, you know, the guy from Australia, he's got the build your own car or build the car you would love to have or never could afford. So, and I left it to y'all to vote on what to build, whether I was going to build the Volksrad or I was going to build the Porsche. Well, the Porsche won. So this is what I'm going to build right here, as you can see. And you open it up, that way y'all know she's still sealed inside. And so that's what I'm going to start on next. So make this my first video, official video of what I'm going to build. And then I would like to also say a big shout out to Bilge at Bilge Model Works. He sent me a card, his shop card. One of these days, guys, I'll get my shop cards. I'll get some done and start sending them out. So I'll put that on the desk right there. And I'd like to do a few more shout outs. And that was Brian at BG Model Workshop. Great guy, awesome builds. And then I'd like to do another shout out to George at That Mofo Damon. He shouted me out yesterday, and I'm going to return the favor to him. And then another guy I want to give a shout out to, and that's Raul. He is at the scale or the muscle car modeler. And dude, that guy, he's very good. I'm surprised he's not got more subscriptions than what he's got, because that guy knows his muscle cars. He knows his cars in period. And every time he does a video or a build video, it don't matter what he does, he explains, you know, about the car, the actual production car, how many, whatever, the way they come. I mean, the guy, he's a walking encyclopedia. So check out Raul at the Muscle Car Modeler. Like I said, try to get his subscriptions up. That guy, he should be at 10,000 subscriptions. I mean, he's that good. And then another guy, his name, well, I don't know his name. I'm the only subscriber he's got that I've seen so far, and that's Leedy Scale Modeler, Leedy Scale Modeler. And I'll leave the descriptions or the links or whatever in the description. And another guy too, he is KRS Modeling, Unboxing, and Scale Builds. Alright, I'd like to give a shout out to those guys. So, alright, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.